Hi, it's been a while. I'm working as software engineer like maybe 3 years in, and honestly, lately I feel so exhausted. Not from working, I actually love building things, but I've got a feeling that no matter how much I learn, I'm always behind. Like, there's always a new technology in town, a new tool, a new things everyone is talking about every single week. And at some point, I just sat there and thought, why am I learning all of this? For who? For what? By day, I'm a front-end developer, but that is honestly the least interesting thing about me. I do animate stuff, I make art, I write code just to see what it could possibly draw on a screen. I journal, work out every single day, enjoying my life, and learning to build things day by day. And none of that, like none of it ever made it onto the internet because I was always too busy being productive, and for whatever reason, I always learning the next things on the list, like always preparing, always almost ready. And here's what I realized recently, somewhere in there, I forgot to ask what I actually wanted to do. And I think I'm done with that. Honestly, I don't fully know what I'm gonna do next, but I know I'm done waiting until I do. I've got a lot of things I want to try, so I'm just going to start, show up, see what happens. That kind of the whole plan. If you're a developer who feel like stuck in the grind, stick around. If you're a creative person who keeps starting things and never finishing, please also stick around. This is week 1. Let's see how this goes. Bye bye.